Hi, welcome to my video and a review of the unit on the equation of the normal line to a curve. And as in all my reviews, this is going to be treated as a quiz, and the total for this one is going to be 14. So you give yourself a mark for each of the questions you get right, add up the total on each page, and do the total of each of the pages, put it over 14, divide 14 into the numerator and get a percentage, and then get a decimal, and then move the decimal 2 places to the right to get the percentage. Hopefully everything's gonna go well. Number 1, find the perpendicular slope of each. What I mean is find the slope of the line perpendicular to the line which has these slopes. So if a line has a slope of 3, then the perpendicular slope, the slope of the perpendicular line, is the negative reciprocal. So that's 3 over 1, so the reciprocal is 1 over 3, and it's negative, so negative 1/3. Give yourself a mark. And I have negative 2 over 7, so it's the negative reciprocal, so it's a negative, so we make it a positive. And the reciprocal of 2 over 7 is 7 over 2, so if you have 7 over 2, give yourself a mark. So to get the equation of this line, I had to solve it for y, and notice I have degrees of 1, so we solve for y, so 5y equals 4x plus 15. Divide by 5, y equals 5 divided by 5 is 1, 4 divided by 5 is 4/5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the slope of this line is 4/5. So the slope of the perpendicular line, the slope of the line perpendicular to that is the negative reciprocal. So that's a positive, so we make it a negative. Reciprocal of 4 over 5 is 5 over 4. So 1 mark for working out the slope, and another mark for doing the negative reciprocal. So 2 marks altogether. Number 2, we have 2 points, negative 1, 4, and as A. B is negative 5, 7. Find the equation of the line through A perpendicular to AB. So we're going through A, so it's perpendicular to AB. So let's get the slope of AB. So let's call that x1, y1, x2, y2. So m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is 7, subtract y1 is 4, x2 is negative 5, subtract negative 1, x1 is negative 1, so simplify, 7 minus 4 is 3, double negative is a positive, so 5 plus negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. So that's the slope of the line through AB. So the perpendicular line has a slope which is the negative reciprocal. So that's a negative, so that becomes positive, and reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. So we have the slope of the perpendicular line, which is 4 over 3, and it's going through A. So A is negative 1, 4. So that's x and that's y, and there's the slope. So y equals mx plus b. Y is 4. The slope is 4 over 3. X is negative 1, so we need to find the y-intercept. So subbing it into here, we have the value of b to find. So 4, negative 1 times 4 over 3 is negative 4 over 3 plus b. So we get 4 add on 4 over 3 equals b. We're solving for b. So if we want, we get a common denominator, which is 3. So 4 over 1 is 3 is a common denominator, so we need 3 times 4 and 3 times 1, so that's 12 over 3 is 4. So that's 16. I'm going to make it 17 then. 12 plus 4 is 16 all over 3. And so now we have the slope of the perpendicular line, which is 4 over 3. We have the y-intercept, which is 16 over 3. So the equation, y equals mx plus b. Y, and the slope is 4 over 3 times x, and b is 16 over 3. And there's 4 marks for that one. So if you got this slope, you got a mark. If you got the negative reciprocal, you got a mark. If you worked out the value of b, you got a mark. If you filled in the equation, you got a mark. So there's 4 marks for that. And that's, if you have everything correct, you got 4. So that's a total of 8 for that page. And we have another question to do. Find the equation of the normal line to y equals 3x ln x at x equals e. So, to get the equation of a normal line, we need the slope of the tangent, and we need the point. So let's find the point. So we got x is equal to e, and the function is y equals 3x ln x. So y equals x is e, and x is e. So y equals 3 times e is 3e. The ln of e is 1. So y equals 3e. So the point that the tangent is going to pass through is x is e and y is 3e. So now we have the point that's going through, but we need the slope. So let's get the slope of the tangent. And the slope of the tangent is y prime. So the function is y equals 3x ln x. So y prime is the slope of the tangent, so we get the derivative. So this is a product. This is f and g. So the derivative of a product is f prime g plus f, that's g prime. So that means we got 3x derivative ln x plus 3x and ln of x derivative. So there's f prime times g and f times g prime. So y prime is derivative of 3x is 3 ln x. Derivative of ln x is 1 over x. So y prime equals 3 ln x. And the x is cancelled, so I get a plus 3. So that's the derivative. That's the derivative at any point. So what about at x equals e? What's the derivative at x equals e? So ln y prime is 3 ln e plus 3. So y prime, the derivative of ln e is 1 plus 3. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 3, 6. So the slope of the tangent is y prime, and that works out to be 6. So that means that the slope of the normal is perpendicular. So the slope of the normal is the negative reciprocal. So that's a positive 6 over 1. So it's a negative 1 over 6. So we have the slope of the normal. We have the point that is passing through, which is e, and 3e, x and y. There's the point it's going through. There's the slope. So y equals mx plus b. So that's x and that's y. So y is 3e. M is negative 1/6. X is e. And we need to find b, the y-intercept. So we have 3e equals negative 1/6 e plus b. So 3e plus 1/6 e equals b. So we add these together, and we got a common denominator of 6. 6, 3 is 18 over 6 E, 1/6 E, and so B becomes, common denominator is 6, 18 plus 1 is 19 E, so the equation of the normal, y equals mx plus b, y equals the slope is negative 1/6, and b is 19 over 6e. So that's working out the equation of the normal. And we have 6 marks to be distributed through here. So if you found the point, give yourself a mark. If you found the slope of the tangent, you add E, you give yourself a mark. So we're here, and that's the slope for any point. So then we plug the E in, you got the slope of the at E, which is negative 6, and you got, or sorry, positive 6, and the slope of the normal is negative reciprocal, give yourself a mark. If you found the y-intercept, 19 over 6e, and you found the equation. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you have this answer, you got 6 marks. Total of both pages, 86 makes 14. Work out your percentage, and hopefully you have 100%. Everything is okay. If not, go back and do a little review, or find out where you made your error. And like all my videos, if you like my video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.